Rare space events in January 2026 that you can't miss. January 2026 is delivering some spectacular sky shows, and you won't want to miss them. From meteor showers to supermoons, planetary alignments, and even a comet, this month is packed with rare astronomical events that are absolutely worth stepping outside for. Let's break down what you need to know and when to look up. These first two have already happened, but I'm sharing them anyway, just in case you saw something in the sky and wondered what it was you were looking at. First up, on January 3rd, Wolf Supermoon. The year kicks off with the Wolf Supermoon on January 3rd, the first supermoon of 2026. A supermoon happens when the full moon is at or near perigee, its closest point to Earth in its orbit. This makes it appear about 7% larger and 15% brighter than an average full moon. The January full moon is traditionally called the Wolf Moon, named by early Native American tribes because this was the time of year when hungry wolves howled outside their camps during the long, cold winter nights. You would have seen the wolf moon rising around sunset on January 3rd. It would have been climbing the sky alongside Jupiter, making for a stunning sight. The best views were right after moonrise, when it appeared huge on the horizon due to the moon illusion, a trick of perspective that makes the moon look bigger when it's near objects like trees and buildings. This is the first of 3 supermoons in 2026, so it's a great way to start the year. January 3-4. Quadrantids Meteor Shower. The same night as the supermoon, the Quadrantids meteor shower reached its peak. The Quadrantids are one of the best meteor showers of the year, capable of producing up to 80 to 120 meteors per hour at their peak. They're known for bright fireballs, exceptionally brilliant meteors that light up the sky. There's a catch though. The peak is extremely short, lasting only a few hours. Unlike other meteor showers that peak over a couple of days, the Quadrantids have a narrow debris stream, so Earth passes through it quickly. And this year, there's another problem. The full supermoon. Bright moonlight will drown out most of the fainter meteors, so you'll only see the brightest ones. But if you were patient and found a dark location away from city lights, you may have caught some spectacular fireballs after midnight. You would have looked toward the constellation Boötes in the northern sky. That's where the meteors will appear to radiate from. The Quadrantids are caused by debris from asteroid 2003 EH1, an extinct comet that no longer produces a tail, but still leaves a trail of dust and rock for Earth to plow through every January. January 7th, Comet 24P Chaumas at perihelion. On January 7th, Comet 24P Chaumas reaches perihelion, its closest approach to the Sun. This periodic comet swings through the inner solar system every 8 years, and when it does, it brightens enough to be visible through telescopes and high-powered binoculars. Look for it in the pre-dawn sky, low on the eastern horizon. It won't be a naked-eye object, but if you have a telescope or large binoculars and dark skies, you might catch a glimpse of its fuzzy coma and faint tail. Comets are unpredictable though. They can brighten or fade unexpectedly, so keep an eye on astronomical forecasts if you're planning to observe it. January 10th, Jupiter at opposition. On January 10th, Jupiter reaches opposition, the point where it's directly opposite the Sun in our sky. This is the best time of the year to observe Jupiter. It rises as the Sun sets, stays visible all night, and appears slightly larger and brighter than usual because it's near its closest approach to Earth. You'll find Jupiter shining brilliantly in the constellation Gemini, forming a rough triangle with the bright stars Sirius and Orion's belt. It's impossible to miss. Jupiter is the brightest object in the night sky after the moon. If you have a small telescope or even good binoculars, you can see Jupiter's 4 largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto, the same moons Galileo discovered in 1610. They appear as tiny points of light lined up on either side of the planet. Jupiter won't be this close and bright again until 2027, so this is your chance. January 20th, Comet C2024 E1 Fierskos at perihelion. Another comet makes an appearance on January 20th. Comet C2024 discovered by astronomer Alex Fuerskos. This one is visible from the southern hemisphere, and some optimistic forecasts suggest it could reach magnitude 5, just on the edge of naked eye visibility under dark skies. Comets are notoriously unpredictable, so there's no guarantee it'll brighten as expected. But if you're in the southern hemisphere and have clear, dark skies, it's worth checking out with binoculars around perihelion. January 31st, Moon, Jupiter, and the Gemini twins. The month wraps up with a beautiful celestial alignment on January 31st. The nearly full moon teams up with Jupiter, along with the stars Pollux and Castor, the twins of the constellation Gemini. All 4 objects will be visible together in the evening sky, fitting comfortably within a single binocular view. It's a perfect photo opportunity and a stunning sight for the naked eye. Look toward the eastern sky after sunset and you'll see the moon, Jupiter, and the twin stars forming a beautiful tableau. Don't miss January. January 2026 is proof that the universe never stops putting on a show. Whether you're watching a supermoon rise, catching bright meteor fireballs, tracking comets through a telescope, or marveling at Jupiter at its best, there's something for everyone this month. So bundle up, step outside, and look up. The cosmos is waiting. Like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic events. And as always, keep looking up.